Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, it's a flashlight. I mean, this is so dark in here. Find the owner of the house. Okay, the owner of the house is not in here. Who in the world is crying? Don't look at me. If it's the only thing that's gonna keep me alive, I guess I'll do it. Okay, people. This will be harder than I expected. Basically. Okay, never mind. Help me. Oh my god, it's so dark. Okay, who is that? Find a bag. I just hope this thing doesn't go dead. Okay, let's just get this bag and get out of here. Great, the flashlight needs more batteries after I just was lucky. I'm wondering, what do I need a bag for? Here you are. Please get me out of here. Then find a way to go back to normal. Well, I need to find something to get around those. And Pete's batteries. Okay, I'm good now. So, well, now I can't see. Here. Just start with the hands. Now the neck. This is the last thing we need to do now. Oh my Jesus Christ. This is very bad. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's chasing us. Oh Jesus Christ. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.